Hi, I'm Dr. Carin Matsushita. Today I wanted to show you how to cook with miso. Miso is a soybean paste, and you've probably seen it before in miso soup, so I wanted to show you a different way of using it. So today I'm going to make miso eggplant stir fry. So this is everything that we need. Of course, 1 eggplant, and then 2 tablespoons of miso, about 1.5 tablespoons of maple syrup. This is 2 tablespoons of sake. I'm using this sake here, but any dry white wine would work. And then 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and a dried chili pepper. If you've got a green onion, that's great for garnishing also. So I'm going to start with trimming and peeling the eggplant. Oops. So trim the top off. When you're peeling, you can just leave alternating strips of the peel, so you don't have to peel the whole thing. Just like that. Maybe one more. Now, cut it lengthwise. And then cut it into chunks. And big chunks are okay. Now put it into a bowl and then soak it in water for a few minutes so we can get the bitterness out. While the eggplant is soaking in the water, let's make the sauce. So, starting with the miso, maple syrup, sake, and just 1/4 cup of water, just to make it easier to mix. And then we'll just mix that around until it's mostly combined. Don't worry about some chunks being in there. All right, and then we're gonna chop the onion. Trim the end off. And let's just chop it as thinly as we can. After the eggplant has been soaking for about 5 minutes, the water has turned a little bit yellow color. Let's drain all of that water as much as possible. And then pat down the eggplant so it's nice and dry. Okay, now it's ready to cook. Heat the sesame oil in the frying pan. And then saute the chili pepper. You can chop this up, and of course you can reduce the amount of seeds that you want to put in here depending on how spicy you like your food. We're going to put all the seeds in it today. Now watch out for the splashing, but we're going to put the eggplants in. Every few minutes, turn the eggplants so that all of the surfaces are browned. Now that it's been about 3 or 4 minutes and most of the sides have been browned, turn the heat down just a little bit and then you can put the sauce in. So just watch out because the sauce can splash a little bit here. just coat the eggplant with the sauce and then just let it boil and simmer until most of the liquid has evaporated. Okay, most of the liquid has cooked off now, so it's mostly dry. I've turned the heat off, and now we're gonna put it into our serving dish. Now you can garnish it with some green onions, like that. And it's all finished. Definitely try this with other vegetables too, and enjoy.